The seventh video, the seventh question. The first option. A committee of 5 is to be formed from 6 boys and 7 girls. A committee means a group where we don't need to arrange them. So it is a question on the base, or it is just combination. It's a question based on combination. Fine. So we have to form five member group with from 6 boys and 7 girls. So there are 6 boys and 7 girls. 7 girls in that. The total number of members in that group should be 5. So the first case, what it says, it should have at most 3. What does that mean? At most 3, maximum. That means we can have no girl. If you have no girl, then we need to have all the 5 boys. Or one girl, it has to be 4 boys. It has 2 girls, 3 boys. And then finally 3 girls and you have 2 boys, because it cannot be more than 3. So how many ways they can be selected? 5 girls means it is from 6 boys. I've divided into 2 groups. There are two groups, no? So we have 6, 3, 5. Let me explain it here. The total number here I'll write here. This is, we are selecting 5 from the 6 boys, and means it's multiplication. No girls are selected. It is 7C. Then or means plus. We can also have 4 boys from the 6 boys. Then in that case we'll require 1 girl. Or 3 boys and 2 girls, or 2 boys and 3 girls. Can we go further? No, because maximum number of girls are 3. They are at most 3, maximum 3. You cannot go beyond. It's maximum. So we have to start from the minimum, that is 0 to 3. So addition of all this is the number of ways the committee can be formed. So each case, you see, 5 and 0 together is 5. 4 plus 1, each time we'll have 4 from here and 1 from here, total 5 members. 3 from here, 2 from here, 5 members. 2 from here, 3 from here, 5 members. So every time the situation is 5 members. Fine. Now we go on to the second part. Second part says that at least 2 boys. At least 2 boys means there has to be minimum 2 boys. So in that case, it is 2 from here, then 3 from here. If it is 2 from here, 3 from here, we have 3 from here, 2 from here. Then we can go in further. It is 4 from here. This is 1 from here. All 5 boys, no girls. So the number of ways in which they can be taken up is, for this, it is 6C2 multiplied by 7C3, or it is plus here. It is 6C3 multiplied by 7C2, or 6C4 multiplied by 7C1, or 6C5. All boys, no girls. Fine. Then the last one is at most 2 boys and 3 girls. Now what does it say? It can have at most 2 boys. At most 2 boys means it cannot have more than 2 boys. So let's start with 0 boys, 0 boys, 0 boys. If you have 0 boys, then in that case we'll have 0 boys. We'll have to have 5 girls. Can we have 5 girls? Yes, because the restriction here is minimum 3. That's minimum 3. This is maximum 2. We cannot go for more than this. What does this say? It is 6C0 multiplied by 7C5. All 5 girls. Second case is 1 boy and 4 girls. Then we have 2 boys and 3 girls. Can you go beyond it? No, because the maximum boys that we can have is only 2. So we have this combination, that is 6C1 multiplied by 7C4, 6C2 multiplied by 7C3. So that way we have all the 3. Now here the second option that we have, that is 5-member group is to be formed from 6 men and 7 ladies. The OR part. There are 6 men and 7 ladies. From this, you have to form a 5-member group. A 5-member group has to be formed from 6 men and 7 ladies. Now, it should be like 5 members with the condition when Miss A would like to be in the committee if Mr. P is there. Otherwise, not otherwise. That means she would like to join the group only when Mr. P is there in that group. So what does that say? That is case 1. We have a case 1 where Miss A is there, is in the committee. She is there in the committee. If Miss P A is there, Mr. P has to be there, has to be included. So if that is the case, then how many ways this selection can be there? We need to have 5 members. 5-member group is to be formed. A group of 5 members. 5 members. Now of the 5 members, we have already taken one A and one P. So 2 members are already there. So, and other than that, we have to have, do we have any other restriction? No, that is the number of men and women are not specified. So we now make the remaining as one group because it's not specified that we need to have this many number of men or this many number of men. It is just a 5-member committee. The condition is only on this. There is only condition on this. So we have, if Miss A is there, P has to be there. That means 2 of them are already there. So we'll have to take remaining 3 from remaining, there are already 13 members, 13 minus 3, that is 11 members. So how many ways you can select it? This is done in 11C3. Now what is case 2? Case 2 is where Miss A is not a member. Not a member. If Miss A is not a member, then what is the answer to it? We don't need to go further. It is, we are not, Mr. P can be there or not, but Miss A is not a member. So the way we have is, there are 12 of them and you have to select 5. So the total committee formed will be is 11C3 plus 12C5. That many number of committees will be